Good morning, student. Uh, Today, discuss revise of this lesson. So, first of all, discuss small example and MCQ. So, our first question: suppose if x less than 5, then uh, find out the value of x. So, how can we find out? So here x less than 5. So another meaning of x less than 5, that means to multiply minus sign in both the side. So another way we can written like this result in minus sign multiply in both the sides. So minus x less in place of greater. So minus x greater minus 5. So another meaning of x less than 5, so we can written like this way, minus sign multiply in both the side, and here we can written minus x less in place of greater minus 5. Now second one, if minus 3x plus 17 less than minus 30, then find out the value of x. So here first of all simplify this term. So minus 3x less than minus 30. Now 17 written in opposite side and change the sign. So minus 17. So therefore minus 3x less than minus 30. Now here remove this minus sign, so both the side multiply minus, and here change the inequality, less in place of, here we can written greater form. So therefore 3x greater 30. Now divide by this term. So x greater 30 divided by 3, that means 10. So represented here x greater 10, that means our answer is x belongs to, we can written like this way also, x belongs to open interval 10 to open interval infinity. Now suppose number line is present and find out the interval form. So how can we find out? So discuss one example. Suppose one figure is present, here minus infinitive and infinitive form is present, here here 0 is present, here 5 is present. Now here open circle is present and arrow is going from like this way. Now here figure is present. Now using by this figure, write down the answer in interval form. So how can be written? Here some option is given. So here how can be written? So x belongs to open interval form is present, because here whole of circle is present and arrow is going to infinite form. So our answer is x belongs to 5 to infinity. In above example, this type of equation is present. Find out the value of x, and using by this value represent the answer in number line. But here number line is present, using by number line and find out the answer like in interval form. Now another question. Number line is present, minus infinitive to infinitive. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, and here open interval form is present, 7 by 2 is present, and arrow is represented in left side. Now written answer in interval form. So here open interval form is present, arrow in left side. So our answer is x belongs to open interval minus infinity comma 7/2. Clear? Now next question. Question number 5. If x is a real number and modulus form of x less than 3, then find out the value of find out the relation of this value. So first of all, we know that one result is present, modulus form of x less than a. So here remove this mod form, so we get two value, one value is negative and another value is positive. So how can be represented? So here represented by minus a less than x less than a. Now here condition is present, mod of x less than 3. So how can be written? So here a in place of, here 3 is present. So our final answer minus 3 less than x less than 3. Next question. Solve 3x minus 22 greater than equal to 5. Condition is present, x belongs to R. So here solve this equation and find out the value of x. So therefore 3x greater than equal to 5 plus 22. Now add this number. So therefore 3x greater than equal to 27. Now divide by this term. So therefore x greater than equal to 9. Now here we greater than equal to form is present. So answer is written in closed interval form and arrow is going from the right side. So that's why here we can written close open 9 to infinity. Next question. Solve 4x minus 17 less than equal to minus 1 where x belongs to R. Now minus 17 written in opposite side. So therefore 4x less than equal to minus 1 plus 17. Therefore 4x less than equal to 17 minus 1, that means 16. Now divide by this term, so x less than equal to 16 divided by 4, that means here written 4. Now arrow is going from the left side. So therefore x belongs to minus infinitive to close interval 4, because here less than equality form is present. So here mention close interval form and arrow is going from left side. So here we can mention minus infinitive. Next question. Question number 8. 2x minus 1 upon 3 plus 5 less than 3x minus 1 upon 2 minus 2. So first of all solve this equation and after represent in number line. So first of all solve this equation. Here take LCM in left side. So 3 LCM in left side. So 2x minus 1 plus 5 3 is 15 less than 2 LCM 3x minus 1 minus 4. Therefore 2x 15 minus 1, that means plus 14, divided by 3 less than 3x minus 5 divided by 2. Now these 2 written for left side and 3 written in right side. So 2 into bracket 2x plus 14 less than 3 into bracket 3x minus 5. Now open this bracket, so 2 to the 4x plus 14 into 2, that means 28 less than 9x minus 5 3 the 15. 9x written for this side and 28 written for right side. So therefore 4x minus 9x less than minus 15 minus 28. 5x minus 9x, that means minus 5x less than minus 15 minus 28. So here we can written minus 43. Now remove this minus sign, so both the side multiply minus sign and change the inequality. So here written 5x less in place of written put greater than form and written here 43. Now divide by this number, the x greater 43 divided by 5. Now how can we represent in number line? So here minus infinitive and here written infinitive. Now strictly greater form is present, so here we can written open hole and here written position of 43 divided by 5, arrow is going from right side. So here we can mention dark line from this portion. Okay, so answer is x greater 43 upon 5 and represented like this way. Next question. Question number 9. Solve 3x upon 2 plus 15 less than equal to 2x upon 3 plus 6. So again here we can take LCM, 3x plus 15 into 2, that means 30 less than equal to, here 3 we can take LCM. Now multiply with 6, so 2x plus 6 3 is 18, 3 multiply this side and 2 multiply this side. So therefore 3 into bracket 3x plus 30 less than equal to 2 into bracket 2x plus 18. Now after open this bracket, so therefore 3 3 is 9x plus 30 3 is 90 less than equal to 2 2 is 4x plus 18 2 is 36. X term written one side and remaining constant term written in opposite side. So therefore 9x minus 4x less than equal to 36 minus 90. 9x minus 4x, that means 5x less than equal to 36 minus 90, that means minus 54. Now divide by this number, so here written x less than equal to minus 54 divided by 5. Okay, now after representing number line, so here minus infinitive to infinitive, here less than equality form is present. So here written dark circle, right? Here less than equality form is present. So here written dark circle and arrow is going from left side. So represented dark line on left portion. So our answer is like this one. Okay.